everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to give green eyeshadow a bit of a try. So this is what I came up with, like a half cut crease eye look, and let's just get on to the video. I'm starting with priming my lid with Shape Tape, and then to give the look a bit more crisp and a clean look, I'm pasting a small cello tape, sticky tape thing on the corner of the eye. And for the crease, I'm starting with the Colourpop Perception palette. I'm going into the shade Culture, and I'm using it all over the crease. Then I use the shade Revenge to deepen up the crease a bit more. I'm using concealer and a flat rounded brush to cut the crease. And guys, let me know if you want me to do a separate video on how to do a cut crease. Just comment down below. And to set the concealer, I'm using this green shade from the BH Cosmetics Smoky Eyes palette. Using Revenge, I'm blending that edge of the green eyeshadow into the eye look. I'm back with my face makeup on. Everything is done. So next I'm gonna use a green color eyeliner pencil and line the waterline, and then smoke out the under eye area, like lower lash line, with Culture. I'm using Love Bug from Colourpop for my lips. Felt like I needed something a bit more on the lips, so I'm using What You Doing WYD from Colourpop just on the center of the lip. hope you guys like today's look. If you guys recreate any of my looks, please tag me on your pictures so I can see them. I would love to see them, and hope to see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye.